Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pinned messages on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here and now click here pins, and that's it. That's how to find pinned messages. As you see here, you'll find all your pinned messages, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.